Hi, this is Scott Hebner at IBM, and we're wrapping up day 3 of INNOVATE 2010. We have 4,000 people down here in Orlando, and what a great week it's been so far. We've been focused on the smarter planet and how you go about building the smarter planet, and the fact that software is becoming the invisible thread that's making the world more interconnected, more instrumented, and more intelligent. And we got into the fact that every business is becoming a software business because everything that we touch is being influenced by software, from cell phones to household keys to medical devices to automobiles to all the applications that we use over the internet. And the successful businesses of the future will be those that build a competency in software. We also discussed that the system and software engineer, according to CNN Money, is becoming the #1 ranked profession to have out there. It is projected to grow 45% over the next decade. And this conference is all about identifying, building, and honing the skills to help build a smarter planet. We had a boatload of great announcements this week at the event to really help our customers put in place agendas for innovation, and in particular software-driven innovation. First of all, we announced a new integrated product management framework, which is a cross-IBM initiative to help customers design, deliver, and subsequently manage the life cycle of an array of smarter products and the systems of systems, like a smart city or a smart hospital, that they compose of. In addition to that, we announced new security capabilities and a new initiative called Design for Security, or Secure by Design. And the whole notion there is that you need to build security into the fabric of the products and services that you deliver. You can't have security as an afterthought. It has to be a forethought. And designing security from the very beginning of the design process is absolutely key. And we announced a new array of capabilities, including an engineering framework for security, new tools, and new best practices. Thirdly, it's all about flexibility and affordability as a business, and giving the people that develop these smarter products and applications the ability to more effectively work in an environment that's flexible, agile, and affordable. New pricing options around the notion of token pricing, new cloud offerings so you can quickly provision the tools that you need, and new integrated stacks and development tools to help build a more flexible infrastructure. And then fourthly, we announced an array of new best practices and assets focused on very specific industry vertical use cases, like insurance business transformation or telecommunications services. And the whole idea there is to create workbenches that are very optimized for a particular usage by a customer in a particular industry, bringing further value to what IBM can provide. Finally, we had 2 excellent case studies of software-driven innovation in action. One was about smart cities, featuring Babcock Ranch, who's building the smartest city from the bottoms up in Southwest Florida. The second announcement was about smart transportation, featuring Hughes Telematics and Daimler Fleetboard, on this whole notion of how our automobiles are not only becoming smarter, but they're interconnecting with an array of IT services that allow you to do all kinds of things on this car that's now really just a data center on wheels with hundreds of millions of lines of code in it. An amazing conversation going on here down in Orlando about how we are helping to build a smarter planet.